Hello students, let me discuss some brief explanation about connected graphs. First definition, that is trivial graph. In this trivial graph, it contains only one vertex, zero edges. So therefore, this graph is called as a trivial graph. So next, for example, that is a K1. K1 means it is a complete graph containing only one vertex. So then next definition, that is a non-trivial graph. So the non-trivial graph means a non-trivial graph has a vertices p greater than or equal to 2. P greater than or equal to 2 means what? The graph contains vertices more than one vertices. That means p is greater than or equal to 2, more than one vertex or 2 or more vertices. For example, this G1 contains 2 vertices. G2 contains 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. This graph is called as a complement of K3. Okay. So then G3 contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 vertices. So therefore, such like graphs are called as a non-trivial graphs. Next, walk, trial, path, cycle in a graph. First definition, walk of a graph. So students, observe this graph. So in this graph, totally it contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7, 7 edges. In this graph, walk of this graph from 1 to 5 vertices, that is starts with 1 and move with the E1 to E2, next to E7, to 4, E4 to 4 to E3, E3 to 3, next 3 to E2, E2 to 2, 2 to E7, next E7 to 4, 4 to E4, E4 to 5. So that means in this graph, so the walk containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. So therefore, this walk is connecting with the vertices 1 and 5 of length 6. Of length 6 means what? So it contains totally 6 edges. So therefore, this length is called as a 6. Next, UV walk. UV walk means let U and V be a vertices of a graph G. A UV walk of a graph G is an alternating sequence of vertices and edges of a G. So UV walk means is in a graph of G, is an alternating sequence of a vertices and edges of G, beginning with vertex U and ending with vertex V, such that every edge is incident with 2 vertices immediately preceding and following it. The vertices U and V are called initial and terminal vertices of UV walks. Otherwise, other vertices is internal vertices. The next, length of a walk. Length of walk means the number of occurrences of edges in a walk. So in a previous example, so that this walk contains totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. So therefore this length is 6. So here the number of occurrences of edges, the number of occurrences of edges in a walk is called its length. Next, trivial walk. trivial walk. Trivial walk means what? A walk is called trivial if it has no edge. It contains only vertices, but it does not contain any edges. So such like walks are called as a trivial walks. Next, closed walk. Closed walk means a UV walk is closed if U is equal to V. So if U and V are same point, then such like walk is called as a closed walk, otherwise it is an open. Next definition, that is trial. Trial means it is in a walk only. A walk is a trial if all the edges in it are distinct. All the edges in it are distinct means it never be repeated. Okay, all the edges are always comes once only. Okay, not comes more than one time. So that's why it called it as distinct. Then next definition, that is a path. Path definition. So path definition is also, path is also in a walk only. A walk is a path if all its vertices are distinct. In trial definition, all the edges are distinct, but in path definition, all its vertices are distinct. So next, closed path. Closed path means what? A UV path is closed if U is equal to V. So U and V are the same point. So therefore, if UV path is closed if U is equal to V. So then next definition, that is a cycle. A non-trivial closed path. A non-trivial closed path is a cycle. Non-trivial means what? It contains more than one vertices. A non-trivial closed path is called as a cycle, or a non-trivial closed path of a graph G is called cycle of a G. Then in odd and even cycle. Odd and even cycle. A cycle is odd if its length is odd. Otherwise, it is an even. So if the length of the cycle is odd, then that cycle is called as a odd cycle. If the length of cycle is even, then that cycle is called as a even cycle. Next, n cycle. N cycle means a cycle of length is n. A cycle of length is n means that cycle contains n number of edges. So therefore, such like cycles are called as a n cycles. If the cycle containing or if the graph containing 3 edges, okay, the non-trivial closed path containing 3 edges, then that cycle is called as a 3 cycle, or it called as a triangle. So triangle, already you know that. So like this. This is a triangle, already you know that. So triangle means what? So totally here it is 1, 2, 3 edges, all are closed path. So therefore, it is a non-trivial closed path is called as a cycle. So it contains 3 edges. So therefore, this is a 3 cycle, called it as a triangle. Note 1. A graph of order n, which is a path denoted by Pn. So if the graph contains n number of vertices, if that graph is path and it is denoted by Pn, a graph of order n, if the graph containing n number of vertices, if that graph is cycle, then that is denoted by our Cn. So path is denoted by Pn, our cycle is denoted by Cn.